For those of you who work with utilities, this is for you. Have you ever had the problem where you have to excavate on site and navigate around waste, electricity, gas and telephone wires? Well, this should make your life easier. Let's show you how easy to use. Select on GPS. Scan these two codes which we supply 50 cm apart. Even on this prototype that gets us accuracy in all directions of between 10 and 20 cm maximum. After the calibration, you see the whole environment with the pipes, installation. Now use our Space Catcher app to scan particular points. Now we scan 22 most significant points, range drains, sewage pipes entries, etc. This allows us to accurately position the pipes, where the fresh water is coming, where the fountain water is circulating. The Space Catcher app renders the texture of 4 images in RGB color. You can also use these images for documentation as well. We don't cut the images. Our prototype correctly shows the location of all objects within a 3 meters view of where you are. Depending on your requirements, we can also show a mesh effect on the ground and show the lines between the pipes and the surface. We can also allow you to select to make objects transparent to see through them. This allows your engineering team to plan their work very accurately, reducing time, costs, and equipment needs. You can plan offset for your team to deliver on site. Thank you.